What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Grips Clips. Just want to do an open box on a DualSense charging station for the PS5. Something I ordered from PlayStation. They got them in stock, and I was able to score one. Ordered it on Friday, got it on Saturday. Great service. Anyway, I know there's a bunch of these on the internet, but I just wanted to do my own for my own channel. This is 30 bucks, like 32 bucks with tax. Let's just go ahead and get into it. This authenticity sticker from Sony. So let's see what we got here. Open the box. Come on. Another box inside of a box. You got good old instructions. You have the charging brick. I mean the brick to power it. Got a plug, and then you got the device itself. So let's see what we got. Here it is. Here feels pretty good. It's obviously plastic and sits nice. And you can plug this in. It's got a 90 degrees, so when you plug it in, it sits flush. So that's nice. Let's go ahead and do a quick power up. How about that? I don't know if anything lights up. I've seen a few videos, but let's check for ourselves. So we'll plug this in. Put it in the wall here. Nothing lights up, it looks like, until probably put a controller on it, which I don't have. I didn't order another controller yet. I got that on pre-order with my PS5, which I'll be getting November 12th. Anyway, very nice design. And there is that texture on the inside that has the X triangles and O's and squares and all that good stuff. But yeah, looks nice. Anyway, just wanted to do an open box for you guys. I know there's 100,000 of them on YouTube, but 100,001 now. But this is my experience with switching from Xbox to PS5, which I'm excited about just because of the games. So we'll keep you guys posted when we get the console, which will be hopefully a midnight release at GameStop on November 12th. So we'll see. All right, peace.